our very first dance in the kitchen. This is our first dance, dancing in the kitchen. We'll look back when you're 18 and Daddy says you grew up too fast. Yes.
Ava, who's got you?
Daddy's dancing with me.
Who's got you?
Daddy dancing.
Who's got you?
Daddy's got all the moves.
Yeah.
And we can dip. You want to dip?
Stop.
Woo!
Whoa, I missed that dip.
And
Do
we
it
dip.
again.
Woo! And we dip.
Do it, dip again.
And when you get to be 18, you're going to laugh the way I dance, but that's okay. I still dance with you. And we twirl around. Whoa!
Who's got you?
Come on, guys.
Who's got you?
Big brother
Who's
wants to
got
go play
you?
football.